like to thank the faculty, the management, all the staff and the students. I think this is the second year you all have visited from PA Pharmacy College. I would like to thank you all for your visiting, taking care of the ammas by doing their health checkup and the blood grouping also. And thank you so much for your kind contribution. Towards Sevashram. Sevashram is a home for elderly destitutes who have been deprived from the families, don't want to take care. And I always request you, whenever you'll have your free time, you can please come to Sevashram and spend your time with them. So once again, on behalf of all the ammas, I would like to thank you and stay blessed. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to all of you. It is our pleasure and honor to have come to this place which is called Sevashram. Here about 40 destitutes are housed and they are being taken care of very nicely, and nice food is being provided. The second time we are visiting this place, and this place is very tidy, neat and clean for all these people who are left off by their families. And I am thankful to the management of this Sevashram for giving us an opportunity. This is nothing big, as a small donation from the students of PA College of Pharmacy. The students of PA College of Pharmacy have come forward, and they have contributed generously towards this cause. And our main motto is to teach our students the empathy which is required for the people around us. And this is a very small display of such work towards the needy people. And I must thank the PA College of Pharmacy faculty who have taken utmost care to bring all these things and conduct this program very nicely. Thank you. And once again, I thank management, madam. Thank you very much for giving us. And I wish all these inmates very happy days ahead. And you are all ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾಳಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿನ ಇಚ್ಛೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती ओम शांति 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 अन्नदाता सुखी भव अन्नवे देवरु ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು BA ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಅವರ ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಿಗೂ ದೇವರು ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸದಾ ಕಾಲ ಕಾಪಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ದೇವರು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾ ಕಾಲ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅವರ ಬಯಕೆ ಕೋರಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ದೇವರು ಸದಾ ಕಾಲ ನಡೆಸುವಂತಾಗಲಿ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್
this program what you have done. It is very kind of you all to contribute so much because I don't expect anything from you all because you all are not working. You all are still studying. So but still from your pocket money, I don't know, you all have managed to get so many things. Thank you so much. And I would like to appreciate one thing about you all is, especially the Muslim community, you all take care of your far relatives, your anybody in the house, anybody it might be. Any orphanages, I have visited a couple of orphanages but never seen a Muslim lady or a Muslim man in a ashrams. So I really appreciate you all. You all are doing such a good work, taking care. So it says charity begins from home. That is what you all are doing. The charity is already done from your house. I wish more of other communities also could do their charity from home by taking care of the aunts and uncles. So wish you all the best. Thank you so much for being here.